Well, g'day folks. Just going to sharpen my chain from my chainsaw on this little electric grinder. Thought I might give you a look, maybe some tips might help with a bit of luck. In just a sec I'll get closer up with the camera and I'll explain the little sharpener for you. Okay, a little grinder. First you place your chainsaw in, your chain from your chainsaw. It sits in that slot. This little piece here is the indexer, so you can pick up on each tooth as you adjust, and that tightens the clamp so it holds the chain. This one here is the depth of cut adjustment, which I'll do in a sec, and the one on top here is the depth that the grinding wheel goes down onto the tooth, so you go right to the bottom. I'll just give you a little demonstration. That one's too far up, so I'll have to go back a bit. It's close. You just take it down till it just touches the bottom with the tooth, and adjust your depth of the actual cut you're going to take off. And quick little movements is better than holding it down so you don't build up heat. That one's sharp, so just a moment I'll run through the sequence with you when I find a marking pen so I can mark where I've started. Okay, found the pen that works. So you mark the tooth where you start, and then it's a simple matter of going along to each tooth on that side of the chain and grind each one. I've also got this set at 30 degrees. It may vary from some people, but I use 30. And away you go. Righto, we're back to the start. Now it's necessary to swing this around at 30 degrees in the opposite direction. That's so you can do the teeth, the opposing teeth. And you will have to reset the depth of cut, or you may have to reset the depth of cut and the depth here. There. Just touching. Go down a bit. That's got it. And carry on. Once again, same thing again. So on and so on. There we go, back to the start again. So now your chain should be lovely and razor sharp. The only thing you have to do is to check the length of the teeth, the opposing teeth. They want to be fairly close to being the same length, otherwise your chain will cut in a bit of a circle. Other than that, that's about it. That's how I use my little electric chain grinder. The only other thing you'll need to do occasionally is file down the rakers, or the depth gauges as some people call Otherwise the chip size will be too small and you'll be creating sawdust instead of saw chips. That's about it. See you then.